guys, welcome back to another video. As you can tell by the title that this is going to be an unboxing of a Louis Vuitton purchase that I made, and I've been sitting on this box for about a week now. We had a blackout or a brownout sometime in the middle, not in the middle but in the beginning of the week, and that's when the package came, and I was going to do an unboxing because I really wanted to open it already. But here we are, and it's already the following week, and I have the box right here, and I have yet to open it because I really wanted to do a true unboxing with you guys. So I have the box right here. I have quite a few items on my wish list on the Louis Vuitton website, and on a daily basis, these are items that are usually not available, that you have to call for availability. But I was told by one of my essays in Costa Mesa that I just have to keep on watching the website and put it on my wish list and check it often and see if they are available. So I have been doing that. So now I have crossed off a wish list item, and I'm pretty excited to open this one. So as you can tell, let me cover my address, but I have like the tab right here, or right here, either side, and I don't know, hold up. Maybe I'll still use the scissors. Oh no, I don't really need it. But so I'm gonna open it. As you can tell, I'm opening it. Another reason why I wanted to do an unboxing is because I've heard so many stories that when they get their stuff online, that, knock on wood, that it comes in what they expected it to be, or it comes in damaged or whatever. Oh wait, no, I have ordered something online before. So here we are, right here. I was trying to get a thumbnail. So here we are, and here's the box open, and it does have a Louis Vuitton saying on there, or writing on there. And oh, it's cute that they actually boxed it and put a ribbon. So I have my receipt right here. Oh, did they change this yet? It's just a different one. And it just basically says, thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans. I cannot talk. Your product has been crafted by experienced artisans with exclusive materials. To learn more about preserving your items, please access louisvuitton.com. Yada yada yada. So that's one. I also have the exchange and return policy. I have the receipt right here. Associate smartphone. Oh, okay. And basically, if I wanted to return it, I have the sticker right here for returns. So the story was, before I got this, I'm always stalking the website, and we were at the river, and normally I don't get good reception, and I was just playing on my phone. I was like, oh, you know what, let me go check the website, and sure enough, it says add to bag. So I added to bag, and I bought it. Before that, when we went to Louis Vuitton X, I actually called Beverly Hills, the Beverly Hills store, and asked if they have this particular item, and they said that they don't, but they have it online right now, so I should get it. So I went online, and I was like, do I really want to get it? I was just like thinking in my head, do I really want to get it? I have it on my bag already. I added it onto my bag, but I wasn't fast enough. Like literally in less than 5 minutes. I'm pretty sure it was a lot faster than that, but 5 minutes later, when I was like thinking about it, it was gone. So when I was at the river and I saw that it was available, I did purchase it. So guys, if you guys do videos at home, and if you guys use ring lights, it's really drying on the eyes if you wear contacts, just FYI. Anyway, so like I said, this is the box, and I'm gonna open it with you guys. the ribbon is too pretty, so I will probably try to get it out without ruining the ribbon. Let's see. Oh, there you go. I feel like this box is pretty big for what it really is, but it's pretty cute. I don't think I have a box like this yet. So it's a magnetic closure right here, and it is pretty huge for this item. So here's the item. You guys have any guesses? It's right here. So I have this right here, this item, and it is the Toiletry 26 in a monogram canvas. It just looks kind of weird and crooked on top, but oh my gosh, it looks pretty. Guys, I apologize for the background noise again. I did forget that I had my fan on because it's really hot in this room, and I left it on, and I know you're gonna hear it on the background, but anyways, this is the item. She's so pretty. I don't know, but I did have one of these before. I think I did an unboxing, but I think it was the Tahitian limited edition print in a Dame Azur, but I don't have that one anymore. I did end up selling it because I was too scared to use it because of the print, and at that time I wasn't really into the toiletry. I'm not sure if I'm just diving into the hype that everybody wants this one, but I did see somebody on Rodeo Drive who had this one and using it as a clutch, and I really like how this person used it. So that's the reason why I ended up putting this on my wish list. And if you guys want to know what my wish lists are at Louis Vuitton, I'm actually doing a video about that pretty soon, so you guys are gonna see and what I've crossed off on that list. And so here's the item. Just put this on the side. So I'm gonna get closer. So here's the item. And as you can tell on this side, it does have the vaquera leather. And inside looks like this. It's pretty big. I really wanted the biggest one. I'm still debating if I want the smaller ones, but for right now, this is the only one that's on my wish list. I have thought about the smaller ones, but at this very moment in time, this is the only one that I wanted. And it looks pretty big. So I just have basically the textile card and also the item number right here. I wanted to see where the serial number is at. So guys, it's so hard to find where the thing is, but it's actually right here, and it's blending in with the interior. And I think it says PA3130. Anyway, so this is the item. I'm pretty excited about this item. I am actually thinking of getting something like an organizer to put inside. I've already looked at a couple that I actually like, and probably get a chain for it so I can also use it like a crossbody or like just a bag by itself, and aside from just a clutch. But at the same time, as you guys all know, I did mention it in my previous videos. My previous video that I forgot which video it was, but I did mention it before that it was my never full bag, my work bag. It's because I never really use this item right here that came with a never full, and only because every time I can put my like a small card case in there and probably my phone, but if I put anything like bulky in there, it's just gonna look too, like if I put anything big in here, it's just gonna look too bulky. And the reason why I got this one, so that I have something like a catch me all type of bag inside my purse, and also I could just grab it, and if I needed to go, I can just put it right here like so. And I really like that. Anyways, I think that is it for my unboxing. I'm pretty excited about this one. What else can I share with you guys? Oh, I did get this one. Let me just let you guys know. Okay, so before I end this video, I just wanted to share with you guys how much this one cost, just in case for those who are wondering how much they are and wanting to get one. And brand new, I did get it off of the website like I mentioned earlier. This one cost $445 US, and after taxes I got this one for $479.49. so just in case you guys are wondering. And sorry if my hair looks crazy like usual. I haven't done anything. I did take a shower earlier and I didn't blow dry it or anything like that. So guys, I forgot to show you guys that this particular item is actually made in France. It's not like I care, but it's just nice to know. And whenever I see other videos, people always say that, and I wanted to know where this one is made, and it is made in France. It'd be so funny if I get something in Europe and I'll say made in USA. And anyways, so this is how it looks like. So anyways, I'm pretty happy with my item. I'm so excited to actually put this to use. And I didn't want to purchase it used at Fashion File because I also stocked that website, but I didn't do that. I'm just happy that I was able to get this one off of the actual Louis Vuitton website. And yeah, if you guys do have any questions, please comment down below and ask me, or if you guys wanted to see how to style this one or what I'm doing with this, an update probably later on, then I will do that for you guys. And if you guys haven't joined my giveaway, I did post that I have a giveaway going on until September 30th. Please join my giveaway, and it will be open until September 30th at 11:59 p.m. so PST time. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you guys like this video, please thumbs up this video. Also subscribe and hit that bell button so you guys can get notified of my future videos. I'll see you guys later. Bye.